There's Sam. Say A. A. B. B. Very good. C. Very good. D. D. E. Good job. You say F. Good. G. G. That one's kind of hard. You say G. G. Okay. H. H is a tough one. Can you say I? That is your I. Very good. J. K. Can you say K? I see that you want, but not the hippopotamus. Can we finish our alphabet? Do you want L? Very good. M. Can we do M and then we'll read without, but not the hippopotamus? You want to read, but not the hippopotamus, huh? Okay, can you say bye-bye?